Welcome to another Kingscliff Sales or Rentals property video presentation. This time we're down on Cudgen Creek, showcasing this 2-bedroom ground floor unit. Here's the building. Here is circled. Great position, close to town, close to beach, and a great opportunity to live in Kingscliff. There's the unit there as videoed. Ground floor unit. Just off the living area, there's a wraparound balcony, not total exclusive use, but a great place for entertaining. From this terrace, looking the other way, you get a great view of Cudgen Creek. And then going back inside, we can see the property has been extensively renovated just a couple of years ago. New carpets, brand new 2-pack kitchen with underbench oven, double bowl stainless steel sink and plenty of cupboards and drawers. Main bedroom is quietly positioned at the rear of the building. It's got built-ins with shelves and hanging, and as a bonus you've got a large and a sunny courtyard. Going back inside into the second bedroom, built-ins with plenty of shelves and hanging. Main bathroom with separate shower, vanity, laundry and separate toilet. And downstairs under the building there's single security cars parking for one vehicle. If you can see yourself living here right on Cudgen Creek, then please give the team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals a call. You can reach them by phoning 0266 745 888 during business hours. Email them for viewing times at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au, or for more photos and information visit our website at salesandrentals.com.au.